So, okay, hi dear Libra, very, very good evening to you guys. This is Tarot Anjali, and this is a journal of reading for all the Libra, Sun, Moon, Venus rising from 24th till the 30th of November 2025. Roles can be reversed also, and if it is not resonating, this is not your story. Want to be a reader like me? You can purchase my courses. Links are given below in the description box for tarot reading course, self-love course, and Ho'oponopono masterclass. For personal reading and healing sessions, check out the description box or find the links below. So let's start. Libra, the overall energy or the mutual energy of the connection right now. Let's see what we have for you guys. The overall energy or the mutual energy of the connection right now. So we have 3 of cups, 10 of wands, 4 of cups. Bottom of the deck is a 9 of pentacles. There's a lot of disappointment and confusion regarding a collaboration partnership, a situation where you guys enjoyed a connection, you guys enjoyed a friendship. Maybe it was turning more than a friendship. So either you guys were coming from friendship to lover, or you were going from lover to friendship. Okay, whatever this collaboration partnership is, it is kind of making you feel like weighing you guys down energetically. It was draining both of you, and both of you are very, very disappointed because things are not going the way you guys wanted it to go. Hmm? So it's like there's a sense of disappointment. Maybe one of you wanted something serious and the other person was not ready for that, or simply whatever you guys were trying to make it like make it look like, make it feel like, was not happening. It was kind of making you feel like very heavy, very burdensome, very difficult to deal with. At least one of you have had other option too that they were dealing with, or they were thinking about going towards a new option or other option too, but they were disappointed there also. So there's a sense of disappointment, there's a sense of burdensome and heavy energy, and there's a sense of 9 of pentacles. Okay, let's work on our individual energies, let's work on our independence, let's focus on our separate lives, because this is not working out between us, and I think it's never going to be. So the mutual energy here is of feeling burdensome and heavy kind of energies and trying to drop this situation because it's too difficult to deal with, too burdensome or heavy to deal with. And the lesson here for both of you is that if you guys are looking for instant gratification, if you guys are looking for real like only for the time being kind of happiness, you cannot expect that to be a serious deal. You cannot expect something or someone to go your way if you yourself is not sure what you really want and what you are really looking forward to have. And plus, even if you were very clear about what you wanted, if the other person, other energy is not interested or not being on the same page, it's high time to realize your self-worth and let go. Okay, it's very difficult, but this is the only solution here. Okay, let's see your person or your partner's current feelings for you right now, Libra. Your person or your partner's current feelings for you right now. Temperance. See, this person is feeling like they should be patient, and with like they should be in this energy of everything is going to be fine with time. They feel like remaining very, very positive and hopeful and patient with the situation. Okay, let's clarify this temperance as their feelings for you, because they still feel like you guys are going to be fine. You guys are going to go through this and make it work out somehow. Okay, let's see. Let's clarify the temperance. We have the Empress, the Three of Wands, and the Tower. Yes, this person is feeling like it's all about divine timing, that you guys are going to be together again and you guys will be able to make things work out between you and them. And next time, whenever you are going to connect with each other or reconnect with each other, you guys are going to make it work out to the level of marriage or commitment or long-term partnership. So if they feel like they should be extremely patient with the whole situation, and they feel like it's all about divine timing when you guys will be able to come back together and do something about this situation in a very, very positive way. I think they're living in some kind of delulu because according to them, that's the only solution. Let's see, what do you feel about this particular person or situation from your side, Libra? Page of Wands. So from your side, you feel like having this open. Okay, there's another card. Page of Wands. From your side, you feel like keeping your energies open, like a innocent child, like having fun, having friendships, not so serious kind of energy. You feel like not taking anything or anyone too seriously right now, just having fun and flirting maybe, or friendships and going on dates and nothing serious. Okay, or let me clarify this page of wands as your feelings. We have the high priestess, the eight of cups, and the nine of wands. Yeah, you feel like walking away, completely walking away and moving on from something that you were very serious about till this point of your life, and now you feel like enjoying your life to the fullest, because why not? If everybody else in this on this planet earth is enjoying their life, so why should not I do that? That is your feeling right now, and you feel like leaving something or someone behind for good this time, because you are fed up, you are done. And you are not in any revengeful or hatred kind of energy. You are in this energy of, okay, I got my lesson, that if something or someone is not meant for us, no matter what you do, they are not going to be there for you. And now you feel like remaining cool and remaining open to the idea of exploring your life and doing whatever it takes to have fun, to have a good life. Okay, let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them, Libra? Tower. Okay, so this person wants to have a breakthrough here. In their feelings also there is tower, in their intentions also there is tower. So this person wants a breakthrough here. Let's clarify the tower here as their intentions. We have the nine of cups, page of pentacles, knight of swords. See, this person wants to have the start or restart between you and them. Just give me 1 second. So this person wants to, this is their wish fulfillment, this is their desire to have a breakthrough, so that you guys can start this chapter all over again with each other with a stable mindset. With a stable mindset. In this particular deck, Knight of Swords represents running away, but they don't want to do the real work. You know, this person wants this brand new beginning. They want to have this wish fulfillment of theirs to start this chapter all over again with you, with stability, with maturity, but they don't want to take the accountability of what they did, and they don't want to do the real work. This person doesn't want to make any efforts to make things happen between you and them, but they want it. I don't know how that works. This is their intention. Let's see, what do you want from this particular person or situation from your side, Libra? Don't tell me. We have the Six of Pentacles in reverse. You don't want anything to do with this situation, at least for the timing. You are like, this is highly imbalanced situation. No matter how much I'm giving to the situation, it's draining me. It's not coming to balance. We're not able to come on the same page, no matter how hard we try, Anjali. So what's the use of wasting my time, effort and energy into this situation? Okay, let me clarify this. We have the Knight of Pentacles, the Queen of Swords, the Nine of Wands. You know, you just want to very slowly but surely get out of these kind of crappy kind of situations. It's not about romantic relationship only. It's about all the kind of relationships that are draining you, that are not giving you what you are expecting from them. If you are, especially if you are investing in something and you're not getting anything in return, you just want to cut those kind of energies out of your life, out of your system. And now you want to create stronger boundaries, and now you want to take a stand for yourself, no matter how hard it is going to be for you guys. You just want to take a stand for yourself. You just want to create stronger boundaries, and you just don't want to deal with any kind of situations where you are not going to get the equal efforts and energy from the other side too, right? Including this situation. Okay, that's a really good thing, taking a stand for yourself. Let's see what could be the possible outcome for you guys till the, what we have till the 30th of November. Queen of Swords, some kind of cutting the crap kind of energy is there. Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, this is your energy only, Libra. You are finally cutting something or someone out of your life, out of your system for good. And this time you're not going to even look behind. It might It might sound like a very ruthless kind of energy, very ego based kind of energy, but it is actually, it's like something or someone triggered you to the point of not returning back. That's it. Let's clarify the Queen of Swords. We have the Moon, the Six of Wands, Seven of Cups. Okay, somebody's like walking very hard on the floor. The Moon, the Six of Wands, the Seven of Cups. Yeah, you're going to remove all the fears, all the insecurities, all the not so good energies, all the mysterious or secretive kind of energies out of your life, out of your system, and you're going to be super focused on the idea of making yourself the center of attention of your own world and doing whatever it takes from your side to move to the successful and victorious kind of energies, right? Because you are done with those. Just give me 1 second, honey. Yeah, because you are done with crappy energies, you are done with crappy people. So you might start doing a lot of things at the same time. This might confuse you a little bit, but you are going to be very, very clear in your mind who to keep and who not to keep in your life anymore, including a lot of people, situations, and things and circumstances. So it's like you cutting the crap and focusing on yourself and doing multiple things at the same time, because you are going to be a little bit confused in like how to start going in the direction of your goals. That will like confuse you a little bit. Let me see the guidance for you guys. Sorry, there's something going on there. 10 of Pentacles, 10 of Cups, 8 of Cups. First of all, you don't have to walk away from those people, those situations, those things that are actually good for you, that are actually good for your mental health, emotional health, and maybe physical health too. Okay, you don't have to be in this energy, in this ruthless energy of cutting important people, important situation, important things out of your life, out of your system, because right now you are not in the greatest of mindset. So it simply means you have to calm down, you have to relax, you have to understand the importance of each and every person or situation or relationship in your life, and analyze all the pros and cons and everything before behaving in a certain way, because might be you will regret it later on, right? So analyze, understand your actions, and properly understand each and everything before you are going to do something crappy with the people who don't deserve it. Otherwise you are going to regret it later on, big, big, big time. So beware of what you are going to do and how you are going to do it and with whom you are going to do it. It's just a caution sign, because you might end up regretting it later on if you are not going to be aware of how you are going to behave with certain people and certain situations. Okay, so let me answer one of your questions related to your love and relationship area. You can close your eyes, take 3 deep breaths, and ask your question 3 times in your mind space. I'm going to give you 10 seconds for the same. Keep it short, simple, and precise, and your time starts now. Oh, my class is going on, some workshop. That's why I'm like, we have, you are going in the right direction, but be cautious. Let me read from the guidebook. You're going in the right direction, honey. Let's see what we have. At this moment in time, the path you are on is the right one for you. This card can also indicate that you're asking the right questions and that the direction of your inquiry is correct. If this is making sense to you, good. If this is not making sense to you, don't try to force yourself into making into this energy of making sense of this situation, this question answer section. Okay? You can leave this if this is not making sense. Okay. So yeah, thank you so much for tuning in, Libra. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. May existence bless you. Namaste.